Another beautiful shower system that we have down this way. This is a cultured stone. It's non-porous. You also have the inlay stripe. It's beautiful that you can get in a ton of different designs and looks. You have different options for your shelves. You can do an inset, corner shelf, for your big soaps, your big shampoos. Nice smooth tub that would be brand new that we'd install along with this. A great benefit that we have with Bordner is our labor is a lifetime of this shower. So we're gonna take everything out all the way down to the studs and do a full new installation for you that's warranted for a lifetime for you and the next person that you sell the home to. Again, you'll see with your faucets and fixtures, we have different options with chrome, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze, whichever you decide.